Emma, you will not believe what happened yesterday. I arrived at the gym at 7 in the evening, but I was absolutely exhausted. My legs were shaking, and I was sweating before I even started my workout.
Oh no, Alex. Why were you so tired? Did you walk to the gym?
No, that is the thing. I had been running for 2 hours before I even got to the gym because I lost my car keys and had to find them while jogging through the park.
That is a perfect example of what we are talking about today. Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alex just used a very specific tense to explain his exhaustion.
I did? I just thought I was telling a sad story about my keys.
You did? You said you had been running. This, my friends, is the past perfect progressive, and today we are going to show you exactly how to use it.
So, Emma, what exactly is the past perfect progressive? It sounds like a very long name for a very simple problem.
It is actually quite logical. We use it to show that an action started in the past and continued up until another point in the past.
So, it is like a movie that was playing until a specific scene happened.
Exactly. It focuses on the duration or the process of an action before something else occurred. It tells us how long something had been happening.
Okay, let us talk about the recipe. How do I build this sentence without making a mess?
It is easier than it sounds. You need 3 parts. First, you use had. Second, you use been. Third, you add the verb with an ing ending.
So I had been working, or she had been waiting.
Spot on. For negative sentences, you just add not. I had not been sleeping well before the exam, and for questions, you move had to the front. Had you been waiting long before the bus arrived?
I see. It does not matter if it is I, you, he, or they. It is always had been plus the ing verb. That is actually easier than the present tense.
Let us practice, Alex. Imagine you saw a chef who looked very angry and messy. Give me a sentence.
Okay. The chef was angry because he had been cooking for 10 hours without a break.
Great. Now imagine a wet street.
The ground was wet because it had been raining all night.
Perfect. Notice how the first part of your sentence is in the simple past, and the reason or the duration is in the past perfect progressive.
Ah, I see. My cat was very fat because he had been eating my dinner every night for a month.
Exactly. You are focusing on the continuous action that caused the result.
Emma, sometimes I want to say I had been knowing her. Is that right?
That is a very common mistake. Remember, we do not use the progressive form with state verbs. Words like know, like love, or want do not take the ing form here.
So I should say I had known her for years?
Yes, you use the past perfect simple for those verbs. Another mistake is using this tense when the action did not have a duration. If it happened in a single moment, just use the simple past.
Got it. No ing for feelings or sudden actions.
Let us try a scene. I am a manager at a company, and you are an employee who is very late for a meeting.
Oh, I am good at being late. Let us start.
Alex, where have you been? We started the meeting 30 minutes ago.
I am so sorry, Emma. I had been trying to fix the printer for an hour before I realized it was not even plugged in.
An hour? I thought you were in the cafeteria.
No, I promise. I had been working so hard on those reports that I forgot to check the time.
Well, the client was very unhappy because she had been sitting in the lobby waiting for you since 9 o'clock.
I will go apologize right now. I had been planning to bring her coffee anyway.
You did great in that role play, Alex. Let us recap for our listeners.
We use the past perfect progressive for actions that were happening over a period of time before another point in the past.
The structure is always had plus been plus the verb with ing.
And it is great for explaining the cause of something or how long an activity lasted.
That is all for today. You guys are doing an amazing job learning these complex structures.
Yes, you are. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button right now. It helps us grow and make more videos for you.
Do not forget to like the video and leave a comment below using the past perfect progressive. We love reading your examples.
See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and stay awesome. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.